Let's get building. 3, 2, 1, rebuild.
Our autonomous period has started. That's 20 seconds of pre-programmed instructions, and we're seeing robots race to get that fuel already into their hub. It looks like 45's accidentally shooting lots of fuel outside the field perimeter, but we have 829 over on the Blue Alliance throwing this field up and over into that Blue Alliance hub. Both of those hubs were activated in the autonomous period, but now as we head out into teleop, they have 10 seconds before it is the Blue Alliance's first shift. Blue Alliance is going to start off with that activated hub in that first shift. That's 25 seconds. That 868 is going to be able to shoot that fuel into their hub, along with their alliance partners, 8430. And we're seeing them go over to the Red Alliance, stealing some fuel from against their alliance station wall. Right now, we're entering the last 3 seconds of the Blue Alliance's shift. Now we're going to head over to the Red Alliance as we see 45 primed and ready. They have a unique design where it's 3 shooters at once, very wide mechanism, along with their alliance partners, 4272 with that double shooter mechanism as well. 868's over on the Red Alliance is trying to steal that fuel from 4272, trying to prevent them also from lining up where they want, knocking all of the fuel that they just shot off of its course. Defense can be a very effective tool in this game and can make or break a team's scores. That's why we can see the impact is so strong as 868 just comes back from scoring defense. Their alliance partners, 829, are going to work for shooting in that activated Blue Alliance hub. We're seeing Cybears 10-4-3-4 try and steal some of that fuel against that alliance station wall and take it back over to their respective alliance over on the red side. Right now, we just have 45 seconds left in the match. 166 points for the Blue Alliance, 220 points for the Red Alliance. Red Alliance just needs 17 more fuel to score to meet that energized RP, as well as 80 fuel for the Blue Alliance to get that energized RP. Those thresholds are 140 fuel more. That's almost 2 times the amount of fuel that you needed at the district level. But now that we're at the district championship, that threshold has been heightened. Right now we have 10 seconds left in the match. 868 getting some last second fuel in along with on the Red Alliance. 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of match number 40. They won with a score of 294 to Blue's 248. The Red Alliance hit that 240 fuel threshold, earning their energized ranking point, moving 10-4-3-4 and 45 up in the ranks, and keeping Maverick at that first place position. Congratulations to the Red Alliance.